All right, so I use the bike pretty regularly, almost every day. Didn't use it yesterday. I did wash it though. Um, I got the deox spray or whatever it's called, and tried to spray the starter, see if that would fix the issue. I did spray it, but I didn't notice the difference. But here's what happens: turns on normally, hit the kill switch, nothing. I've tried pulling in the clutch. I've tried taking off the kickstand. I normally turn it on like this. So yeah, if you can give me an idea, that'd be great. Thank you.